Hazrat Abu Huraira narrates that the Messenger of Allah said, "When a person is buried, two black-eyed angels come to him. One of them is named Munkar and the other is named Nakir. They both ask him, 'What do you say about this man, Muhammad?' He will say what he used to say in the world, that he is the servant and messenger of Allah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his servant and messenger." Both angels will say in response, "We knew that you would give this answer." Then his grave will be expanded to 70 cubits by 70 cubits and it will be illuminated. Then the person will be told to sleep. He will say, "I want to go back to my family and inform them of my forgiveness." The angels will respond, "That is not possible. Rather, sleep like a bride who is not disturbed by anyone except her beloved." So he will sleep until Allah raises him from the grave. If the deceased is a hypocrite, when the angels ask him about Muhammad, he will say the same things that people used to say and hear from him. "Besides that, I don't know anything." Both angels will say, "We knew that you would give this answer." Then the earth will be commanded to squeeze him, so it will squeeze him and his ribs will interlock with each other. The hypocrite will remain in this punishment until the day of resurrection.